make way, folks. We're gonna be drawing another one of my favorite bakugan today. I'm gonna show you guys how to draw rattleloid. Get ready. Watch him open up to his true form. I often think that rattleloid is a rare bakugan, and I'm one of the lucky people to collect him. So, let's get started on drawing him, shall we?
What a revelation, he's a revolution, a gem that loves and grows.
Basic, like Stinglash, both Rattleloid and Stinglash are like two of my favorite Bakugan. See? They look happy. They go great together. So, anyways, let's draw this guy, shall we? Okay, let's draw this guy.
I see what's happening, yeah. You're face to face with greatness and it's strange. You don't even know how you feel. It's adorable. Well, it's nice to see that humans never change.
Wait, when you start drawing Rattleloid, you must start by drawing his face first. Always start with the eyes.
The bod. When you're staring at a demigod, what can I say except you're welcome? For the tides, the sun, the sky. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. I'm just an ordinary demigod. Hey, what has two thumbs and pulled up the sky? When you were waddling yay high, this guy. When the nights got cold, who stole you? Fire from down below. You're looking at him, yo. Oh, also I lasso the sun. You're welcome to stretch your days and bring you fun.
There we go.
Also I harness the breeze. You're welcome to fill your sails and shake your trees. So what can I say except you're welcome for the islands I pull from the sea.
There we go. Next up, you have to draw his fangs.
I guess it's just my way of being me. You're welcome. You're welcome. Well, come to think of it, kid, honestly, I could go on and on. I could explain every natural phenomenon. The tide, the grass, the ground. Oh, that was Maui just messing around. I killed an eel, I buried its guts. Sprouted a tree, now you got coconuts. What's the lesson? What does it take away? Don't mess with Maui when he's on a breakaway. And the tapestry here in my skin is a map of the victories I win. Look where I've been, I make everything happen. Look at that mini Maui, just look at that. Well, anyway, let me say you're welcome for the wonderful world you know. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome. Well, come to think of it, I gotta go. Hey, it's your day to say you're welcome. 'Cause I'm gonna need that boat. I'm sailing away, you're welcome. 'Cause now we can do everything but float. You're welcome. And thank you.
There we go. No, wait. I think he's a...
See you later, alligator.
Well, I saw my baby walking with another man today. Well, I saw my baby walking with another man today. When I asked her what's the matter, this is what I heard her say. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. Can't you see you're in my way now? Don't you know you can't my style?
Now we just draw this pattern here.
When I thought of what she told me, nearly made me lose my head. When I thought of what she told me, nearly made me lose my head. But the next time that I saw her, reminded her of what she said. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. See you later.
Now we just draw the spikes here. Alexa, stop. This is a message for all you brawlers out there. And especially you, Stinglash. Nobody has to be the favorite, you know. You guys can... Everyone has their own perspective and their own differences. That's what makes us special. That's what makes us who we are. Both Rattleloid and Stinglash can both be my favorites. The two of them are one of the many things that make me happy in this world, especially in the Bakugan universe. Like, for example, my dog Cabo. She's always there for me no matter what. I often sleep with her in bed, and when I pet her in the middle of the night, she wakes up to lick me in the face. That's just adorable. And basically, I have strong feelings for animals of all kinds, like, for example, pythons and snakes. And, well, these creatures are all passionate and special. They are meant to coexist with nature, and basically that's one of the many things that keep this universe in perfect balance. Anyways, I'd be happy to draw out what other Bakugan I have in store, like, for example, Serpenoid, for perhaps. I wonder if Rattleloid was just a ripoff of Serpenoid, but I'm not sure. But maybe I could ask someone about that. Or you guys could post comments on if Serpenoid is just a ripoff version of Rattleloid in ball form. I never exactly had a chance to grab a Serpenoid when I was a kid. You guys are happy to donate to my house if you want to. Anyways, let's get started on drawing this awesome python, shall we? Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Well, I saw my baby walking with another man today. Well, I saw my baby walking with another man today. When I asked her what's the matter, this is what I heard her say. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. Can't you see you're in my way now? Don't you know you can't my style? When I thought of what she told me, nearly made me lose my head. When I thought of what she told me, nearly made me lose my head. But the next time that I saw her, reminded her of what she said. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. Can't you see you're in my way now? Don't you know you can't my style?
There we go.
She said, I'm sorry, pretty daddy. You know my love is just for you. She said, I'm sorry, pretty daddy. You know my love is just for you.
There we go.
Won't you say that you'll forgive me and say your love for me is true? I said, wait a minute.
Alexa, what is a cobra?
Cobra is the common name of various elipid snakes, most of which belong to the genus Naja. All of the known cobras are venomous and many are capable of rearing upwards and producing a hood when threatened.
Alexa, what is a python?
The noun, python, can have a few meanings. 1. Any of several Old World boa constrictors of the subfamily Pythoninae, often growing to a length of more than 20 feet, 6 meters. The Indian python, Python molaris, is endangered. 2. A spirit or demon. 3. A person who is possessed by a spirit and prophesies by its aid.
Alexa, what is a cobra?
Cobra is the common name of various elipid snakes.
I mean,
most of
Alexa,
which
what is
belong to the-
what is an anaconda?
Cobra is the
Alexa,
common name of
what is a anaconda?
The noun, anaconda, can have a few meanings. 1. A South American boa, Eumectes murinus, that often grows to a length of more than 25 feet, 7.6 meters. 2. Any large boa. 3. A variety of poker in which each player is dealt 7 cards, discards 2, and turns up one of the remaining 5 before each betting round.
Okay, basically, that's how you draw a rattleloid. Oh, and there's one more snake I forgot to show you. Alexa, what is Titanoboa?
According to Wikipedia, Titanoboa is an extinct... According to Wikipedia, Titanoboa is an extinct genus of very large snakes that lived in what is now La Guajira in northeastern Colombia. They could grow up to 12.8 meters long and reach a weight of 1,135 kilograms. Fossils of Titanoboa have been found in the Surajón Formation and date to around 58 to 60 million years ago.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, next song. Okay, Alexa, next song. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And, well, basically, to all you fans out there, I dedicate this to the top 10 Bakugan in my list. Stinglash, Rattleloid, Razoroid, Nastix. There's also Lumagrowl and Scaboid. There's also Angelo and Diablo Preus, Altair, Wired, Hades, Maxis Dragonoid, Pyphantis, Limulus. Basically, that's about all of them. Oh yeah, and don't forget about Hydronoid. I'm gonna draw him real soon. So, okay guys, that's all the time I have for now. Please like and subscribe to this video, and remember my advice, nobody has to be the favorite about anything. I mean, nobody has to be the favorite or the best at anything. Everyone's best at something, but not everything. So, anyways, I will see you guys again soon, and have a nice weekend.